Hi, my name is Carlos Arthur. I'm 21-year-old and today I'm gonna be dropping out of college for the second time. But now, this time is my dream college. I'm 21-year-old, I got married, I moved to Portugal and I came to one of the best design college in Portugal. And now I'm gonna drop out of it. Why? I have a company that is
We've got wings. I'm gonna dance and I'm gonna
When
move.
I created Blackbird, I never thought that I would be where I am today. I never thought that that small company would get where it is today. And it's funny because for me, the Blackbird was never about the money. That's funny as it sounds. And as cliche as it sounds, for me it was never about money because I had a stable job. A little bit of a story about myself. I have a background in concept art and I was doing art for movies and games and I was being well paid. When I created the Blackbird, it was never about the money. And it's funny because looking back, it was accidental. And knowing now that in 3 months I was able to grow the company it for 6 figures, almost 7 figures in only 3 months, it still impresses me because I never knew that was possible, right? When you see a lot of those success stories, you think about that person must have, like, that person just did something that you cannot reach. That person did something that it's like impossible for you to do. And for me, being in this position right now is really funny because I have that same mindset. And when in 3 months I was able to put my company in 6 figures and almost 7 figures, for me it was like still like a dream. And especially because the way that the Blackbird started. It's really funny because like I said, I was a concept artist and at the time I was working for a company that they train concept artists and they train 3D modelers and stuff like that. And now they became one of our clients. And it's funny because they asked me to do a small marketing job and at the time I knew zero about marketing, I knew zero about digital marketing. But for some weird reason, I saw the future in that. For some weird reason, I felt in love with that. And don't get me wrong, I loved what I was doing. I love art, I love design, I love concept art, I love games, I love movies. I'm still pretty much a geek for everything and I still draw. But the funny thing is, for some weird reason, I fell in love with marketing. And for the first time, I was actually waking up excited to do a job. It was like for me, it didn't feel like doing work. It felt like doing something that I actually was enjoying. It's a weird, like, you know, like when you are in this position, it's a weird sensation. It's like I'm getting paid to do something that I actually love doing, and it's like it's really weird. And I wanted to give that same feeling for business owners. And unfortunately enough, a lot of the issues that business owners have is money. And one of the ways that you can bring money is by doing marketing. Now, I do believe that we are the top, if not one of the top agencies out there that did the most pro bono. And I actually believe that that is one of the key points for our company success. Because we managed to really help people, and that was the goal. The main goal for the company was to help people reach a certain level and to help people create a business that they actually love working on, that they actually enjoy working on. And I wanted people to have the same feeling that I have about my company. I wanted people to wake up excited to go in the morning and just do like the best job that they can. And that's exactly what we did, and that's exactly what we keep on doing. And I do believe that if you focus in creating a great product, then no one can stop you. So if there is a lesson that you can take from this video today, is that no matter what you do, no matter how far-fetched it seems, no matter how difficult it seems for you to do something, if you focus in your goal, and in our case my goal was to help other business owners create a business that they love working on, just like I have mine, and if you focus all of your strength in building a great product, in building a great service, then no one else can beat you. No one else can go and take that from you, right? People can copy you, people can do what you do, people can talk the way you talk, people can create videos like yours, people can do whatever they want to copy you. But there is one thing that no one can copy. That thing is your results. So if you bring results, if you have a great product, if you have a great service, no one can copy you. And it's funny because I talked about that we went from 0 to 6 figures in 3 months. More funny than that is that we actually generate 8.5 million for our clients in 5 months and over 500,000 leads. And if you think about that, that is a really, really big number to do in 5 months. And that is just because of, first, the passion, and second, creating a great product. So, like I said, if there is a lesson that you can take from this video, is that you need to create a great product and to create a great service.